The electric vehicle sector is one of the hottest parts of this market, and it's not just Tesla.
Electric cars are very much in America's future, and I think much sooner than autonomous driving.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's video is about what are the best EV stock that you can own in your portfolio right now. And the reason why I showed the clip before is that we all can agree that EVs are here to stay, they are the future, and we as investors couldn't be more excited to be a part of that revolution. So now that's decided, let's talk about what are the best EV stock that you can own today, which is at a very attractive price point today to own. Before I start, if you get anything out of the video, please hit that like, share, subscribe. It really helps to grow the channel. Alright, so coming back to the topic, what are the best EV stock that you can own right now? See, there are plenty of EV stocks in the market, and if you decide to trade all of them, that will be a disaster, in my opinion. That's why I stick with the one that I have the highest conviction, that I feel are going to do the best in the long term. Anything discussed in the video today, please, it's for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not advising you to do anything. I'm just telling you what I did with my money. Please go ahead and do your own research and then do it. Alright, so let me share my screen, and I think these are the best EV stocks that you can add to your portfolio. Again, it's my advice. Please do your own research and invest wisely. Okay, so without any doubt, number one EV stock that we all agree we should have in our portfolio is Tesla. Absolutely. Why? They are the market leaders. They are 3 to 4 years ahead of everyone. Now, some people say that, you know what, every company will have an EV in the next 3 to 4 years. Absolutely agree with you. Yes, they will. But imagine where Tesla would be. They are solving the problems today that most of the manufacturers are not even thinking about it. They will be the leader. They will be the dominant leader in this market for many years to come. So that's why I feel that Tesla is a must stock to have in your portfolio. It's not high. Trust me, where it's sitting right now, 3 years from now, you will look back and you'll say, I wish if I would have bought more Tesla at that time. I say that even now, and I have plenty of Tesla shares in my portfolio. I still say I just wasted my money in so many other stocks. I could have just bought one stock and that could be Tesla. All right, number two, they are the best vertically integrated company. Battery manufacturing, the full self-driving, the gigafactories coming along. They are solving so many big problems all together that once everything is up and running, sky's the limit for this company. Number three, huge potential for autonomous ride sharing. This is massive. We know that Elon Musk and Tesla team is going to solve it. When it happens, mark my word, the stock is going to go super high. So don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what analysts are saying. So right now, analysts are putting it as a buy and a strong buy. This stock has a huge potential to grow. According to TipRank, the average price target for this stock is $701.17, and the high price target for this stock is $1,200. Look at the stock price yesterday. It was $762.32. So you know that it has already crossed the average that they were paying in the next 12 months today. Now we can see that, okay, $1,200 is not too far in the next 12 months. Once Giga Berlin, Giga Texas come into play and they have more and more units coming out, I feel that'll be a game changer for Tesla. So I feel Tesla is at a very interesting price point right now, and it's a buy. All right, next, let's talk about our second pick, which is NIO. NIO, as you all know, is a Chinese manufacturer, and they already have EVs on the road. They have beaten the estimate year over year, and they are the fastest growing EV company in China after Tesla. So I feel NIO, backed by Chinese government, has a high potential of being the number 2 EV company in all over the world, because they can start exporting to Europe, India, Singapore, and they can actually have a better chance of producing the vehicle that can be used in those mass markets. All right, so of course, don't take my word for it. Let's see. So NIO is rated as a buy and a strong buy from the analyst, and TipRanks, there are about 9 analysts that are predicting that NIO would be $62.04 in the next 12 months and the high of $81. NIO right now, as of yesterday, was sitting at $38.48. So we are talking about doubling from here. So I feel NIO has a very high potential of being a $200 stock by the end of 2022 to 2023. So I feel that NIO is a wonderful company and a wonderful opportunity for us investors to put our money in. All right, so let's talk about our number 3 pick, which is basically Lucid or CCIV. We all probably know what Lucid is, right? They merged with CCIV. It was a huge rage. The stock went up to like upper 50s, and then after that it tanked. I feel Lucid, where it's sitting right now, is such an attractive price for 2 reasons. Number one, it's an American brand. So it's the second American brand after Tesla, which is catering to only EV market. And they're catering to the population that buy Mercedes S-Class or BMWs, more on the luxury side. See, Tesla are amazing cars, but they don't consider themselves as luxury car makers. If you look at the interior, it's much more simpler. I love it, but there are people, those who like that buttons, like that features, like that luxury look, and Lucid is targeting those. Lucid Air Special Edition 500 cars are already sold out, and I feel that Lucid will have the cars on the road by Q3 of 2021. All right, so now let's talk about our fourth pick, which is not an EV company, but it's a company that's solving EV problem for the entire industry. So one of the biggest problem that these EV car companies have is batteries. And ABML, which stands for American Battery Metals Corp, is a company that recycles the car batteries. It's an important industry, and it's a necessity, in my opinion. In the next 3 to 4 years, we are going to see a lot of these companies pop up. Because what happens when the car gets old, and as we get more and more EVs on the road, we are going to get those. What happens to those? We cannot just throw away the batteries. The battery needs to be recycled. See, till today, all the batteries in EVs are still made of minerals and materials that they extract from Earth, and we all know those are all scarce. They cannot just keep extracting. So companies like ABML play a key role. This company especially is very special. Why? Because it has deep roots with Tesla. Ryan Meltzer is a CTO at ABML, and he served as an R&D manager for batteries in Tesla for 3 years. And then after that, he co-founded, and now he is a CTO of American Battery Metal Corp. So I feel that ABML has a very high chance, a high probability of being a very successful company. And I'm looking at it as 3 to 5 years play. I'm not looking at it as a short-term play. Nothing over here is a short-term play. I don't do short-term. I look at long-term. I do short-term for options, but I own the shares of a company for long-term. So right now, they are at a strong buy from the analyst. And on top of that, look at their price point, $1.46. This is a steal. I bought ABML at $3.50. I bought ABML at $2. I bought ABML at $1.43. So I've been continuously buying. I have over 10,000 shares of this company, and I feel this company is going to do very well in the long run. All right, last one, Quantum Escape. So Quantum Escape is the first company that is working on the solid state batteries, and Volkswagen, Bill Gates, everybody is backing this company. The company's share touched $114 back in 2020. After that, it has taken a nosedive. The rest of the market has taken a nosedive too. So I feel that Quantum Escape has a very high probability of delivering the product and being very successful. And since Volkswagen is one of the investors, they are going to be supplying the batteries to Volkswagen. So I think Quantum Escape is an amazing company. It's sitting at neutral right now because their stock price, look, it's $42.25. If you look at tip ranks, four of the analysts are saying that their next 12-month price target on average is $56.75. Their high price target would be $70. I feel QuantumScape has a probability, or I think QuantumScape is going to be over $100 in next 2 to 3 years. All right, so I hope I was able to give you some idea of how to invest and how to put your money in the EV sector. These are my 5 top picks. Of course, I own a little bit more of different companies, but they are not my high conviction stock. These are my high conviction, Tesla being number 1, NIO being number 2, Lucid being number 3, ABML being number 4, and QuantumScape being number 5. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you get anything out of it, please hit that like, share, and subscribe. I truly appreciate your support. Until next time, you all have a wonderful day.